What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make lemonade 3 ways. I have some really cool fruity combos that I think you, your family, and your friends will love, so let's get started.
Keep it up one more minute. Keep it up, you're so great. Standing, talking, you got me checkmate.
So I made 3 lemonades: watermelon, raspberry, basil, and strawberry orange with a hint of mint. These are sweet and refreshing, and I like to make these when I'm having get-togethers at my home. But since we're in quarantine, I just made these to have something sweet in the fridge. Now, you can sweeten your lemonade however you like, but a few options I prefer are honey for its natural sweetness, and it comes with a lot of health benefits, agave nectar, which is sweeter than white sugar, so you don't really need as much, or you can also just make a simple syrup, which is pretty easy to make. You just mix 1 part sugar to 1 part hot water, and you're good to go. I'll show you how to do that here. You just pour water into a saucepan over medium heat and bring it to a boil. Then you can just slowly start mixing in your sugar now and pour it into a jar once it cools down, and then you'll have your syrup. Another way to make it is to take a mason jar and pour the sugar in there, and then I just take warmed water and pour that on top, making sure that it's not boiling so that it doesn't make the glass expand and break. You don't want to risk burning yourself or breaking your glass, so like I said, just make sure the water is warm if you prefer to do it this way. So now you just take that mixture and you give it a nice shake. That way the sugar and the water mixes and dissolves, and then you have your syrup. Now you can make your lemon juice from scratch, or of course buy it from the grocery store. You can also just use store-bought lemonade instead of making it yourself. Whatever your preference, they all work just fine. I made about 2 cups of lemon juice and added it to about 1 cup of water in a large mason jar. I'm going to take my lemon juice and store it in the fridge to get it nice and chilled. So first I'm starting with the watermelon lemonade. I cheated and purchased these pre-sliced. I'm just going to put them in the Ninja blender and blend it until it's a watery consistency. I'm taking a small bowl and strainer and pouring the juice into the bowl to make sure my watermelon juice is thin and doesn't have any seeds or chunks in it. Using a silicone spatula, I'm going to press into the mixture to get as much of the juice as possible. So now that our watermelon juice is ready, let's go ahead and make the lemonade. I like to eyeball my mix to my liking, but to get a nice simple mix, in a cup or a mason jar, add 1/4 of your watermelon juice with 2/4 of your lemon juice and 3 tablespoons of simple syrup. Add ice and you're done. Next, we have the raspberry basil lemonade. Starting with chilled fresh raspberries and fresh basil leaves, I'll be repeating the same steps as before. Pouring the berries into the blender cup and blending until it's as thin and liquid-like as possible. raspberries blend a bit thick, so I'm adding a cup of water and giving it a good mix so that we can strain the seeds and get more of the juice and flavor. Raspberries have tons of seeds, so straining is a must. Now to make the lemonade. Just as before, we're going to add the raspberry juice, lemon juice, and simple syrup. I went ahead and added some dried basil leaves as well. This will help the lemonade have more of a light mint clove taste. It works really good together, you just have to try it. And we're all done with our raspberry basil lemonade. And last, my fave, strawberry orange lemonade with a hint of mint. Starting with some chilled strawberries, I'll add them to my blender cup and give it a few pulses. Then I'll add my water and fresh mint leaves and blend again. Now I'm going to slice a strawberry to garnish, and you could even try any other fruit like mangoes or blueberries or even apple slices. I'll be using about a tablespoon of agave nectar, give it a good stir, and add some ice. You can't tell me that doesn't look good. Now I add fresh squeezed orange juice on top, and we're all done. This flavor is so bright and refreshing, I can literally drink it all day. Give these recipes a try and play around with different fruits and flavors. That's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching.